Hello, the purpose of this video is to present Grassello Lucido, the most representative of our luxury line products, the very best in beauty and refinement. Grassello Lucido is inspired by the glossy finishes found in the palaces of the ancient Venetian nobility, but its features also make it suitable for modern environments and contemporary architecture. Its main characteristic is the high level of gloss, which has no equal in other decorative materials. This result is achieved through the accurate workmanship of raw materials, thin marble powder and microfiltered slaked lime. The product is therefore a natural and ready-to-use paste. Today, we are going to show you how to apply the product. If you want to learn more about the topic, please check our website and sign up for our training courses. Before applying the product, the wall must be adequately primed. In our case, we are going to use Micro Primer Veneziano, a product that ensures a strong grip on any surface. It comes in paste form and it must be thinned using 10 to 25% water before being applied with a roller. When the wall is dry, we'll have a fine-grained substrate that is perfectly primed for the application of our finish. The preparation of Grassello Lucido begins with the tinting, which is done using the formulas that are available in our Luxury in Lime colorimetric system. You can use the Luxury in Lime color book to choose the tint that best suits your needs. In this case, we chose color 805 in the High Tech collection, a range of colors specifically designed for modern environments. The application of this product requires a stainless steel trowel in pristine condition. This is a very important detail, because the trowel must not have scratches or nicks around the edges that could seriously undermine our work. Grassello Lucido is usually applied in 3 coats, which are followed by the burnishing phases. Each coat should be applied with the utmost care, as the outcome of the final texture depends on the combination of all 3 layers. The purpose of the first coat is to create the base for our texture. After that, we have to wait till the product is completely dry. The next day, we can apply the remaining coats, closely heating the texture. As you can see, the wall is almost completely dry. Let's say 70 to 80% dry. There are still some wet spots, but everything is just as it should be. So now we can start applying the final coat. Upon applying the third coat, we have to start burnishing as we go along, as the burnishing must be done while the product is still wet. This area is a little over 2 square feet. Let's go on. As you advance, you also have to go back to the same area for the burnishing, using a clean trowel. The burnishing phase consists in applying adequate pressure on the wall using the trowel, in order to achieve the traditional mirror-like sheen of the product. To ensure optimal results, clean the edges of the trowel frequently. Move the trowel in different directions to ensure optimal and homogeneous burnishing, going over the same area more than once. As the wall dries, proceed with further burnishing until you achieve the desired effect. In the following days, when the wall is completely dry, we recommend using wax or soap to protect the surface. In this case, we're using spatula wax, a protective wax designed to increase the brilliance of your wall. For the polishing, use a soft rag. The wall is now ready. Our work is done.
Con Grassello Lucido potrai finalmente
Grasselo
assaporare
Lucido will give you the chance to enjoy a taste of the most noble and refined Venetian dwellings.